This conference will now be recorded.
Python is the fastest growing language in terms of developers, libraries, applications, and the applications could be machine learning algorithms or otherwise AI-based algorithms or web development applications. Anything what you can think of. Now let us go ahead with the agenda of this session, Python programming. So today we are going to discuss about the objectives of Python programming, prerequisites for anyone to become a Python programmer, and the learning takeaways. Then it will be followed by learning what is Python, advantages of Python, job aspects for Python programmers, which we are going to follow it by course contents and certifications along with the details of the certifications. So primarily we will see the objectives of this course. This course is designed in order to provide the basic knowledge of programming. And it is intended for any software programmer, system analyst, program managers, data scientists, or otherwise anyone who is interested in artificial intelligence or machine learning algorithms. The prerequisite for this course is it's not mandatory to learn to have the knowledge of any other programming languages, because Python itself is a beginner level programming language. And coming to the course outcomes or otherwise learning takeaways, at the end of this particular course, the participant will become a master in writing Python scripts. He'll be able to use various library functions which are already available in the Python libraries. Along with that, he'll be able to write his own functions and make it a part of the existing libraries. The participant will be able to read and write create and manipulate the data within the files. Then the participant will also be able to use OOPS concepts while developing his applications. Along with that, he'll be able to learn to search the text using regular expressions. Now we will see what is Python. Python is a general purpose programming high level language which is interpreted. That means the code, whatever you are writing, the script, whichever is being written, is interpreted line by line. It supports interactive mode as well as script mode, and supports object-oriented concepts like encapsulating the classes into the objects. It has easy and dynamic syntax where you don't have to follow any structured methodology. It uses indentation rather than curly braces the way we use in any other programming languages. Then coming to the advantages of Python programming, Python is easy to learn, and with the rise in artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms, Python has come into spotlight because it makes the work much more productive than earlier. And at the same time, Python is portable, developed in one environment, can be moved easily to another environment. And we can embed Python script in any other programming language like C, CPP, Java, PHP, etc. Then we can easily share files using Python code. For example, in Draw, you have applications in real-time environment where you are using Python language in order to share files. Then we can even create machine learning algorithms. Cybersecurity analysis is being done using Python and Scientific calculations also can be done in Python language, which is right now used in NASA. And Google is a place where searching and gathering the results based on the ranks is being done using Python programming language. Then coming to the job aspects for Python programmers, the popularity of Python programming is increasing day by day, and at the same time, career opportunities are also increasing a lot. And most of the companies which are using Python programming are Quora, Facebook, SlideShare, then IBM, Dropbox, Pinterest, Netflix. At these places, as Python programming is majorly used, at the same time, programmers are getting lots of opportunities of jobs. And Python programmer can find or can play the role of a software engineer or Python developer, research analyst, data scientist. And he can work in different areas of web development or otherwise developing frameworks in gaming industry, big data analytics, web testing, data science, and many more fields. Then coming to the course contents, you must be thinking from where you should start learning Python. Let me help you over here. We'll first learn something about the variables and the data types you are going to use to store the data in the variables. Data types like number, boolean, sets, sequences, dictionaries, we are going to learn. At the same time, the different types of operators we are going to discuss. Then followed by um, data type like array in order to store structured data, which is followed by flow control, which includes conditional statements as well as iterative statements like while loop, for loop. Then we'll follow with learning something how to create the methods and using methods how to create the functions. Then we'll go ahead with file handling, where we are going to learn how to create a file and how to manipulate the data within the file. Then we will even discuss something about exception handling, regular expressions, how to create modules, and grouping the modules in the form of packages. Then the course will continue with object-oriented programming in Python language. And coming to the certifications. With respect to Python, we have OpenEdge Python Institute, which allows the candidates to get certified in Python programming at 3 levels. At entry level, we have the certification called PCEP, which is a certified entry level Python programmer. Then the next level is PCAP, which is nothing but certified associate in Python programmer. Then followed by PCPP, which is certified professional in Python programming. Then then we have Microsoft also, which is giving certification in Python. The exam name is MTA 98381 certification. Thank you.